Good morning, what's going on, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my banner coming through any minute right now. Hit like, hit share, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram. My name is Freddy, they call me Guy Gene, and I love Hondas, bro. And today I'm started cleaning on my garage. We're filthy with grease. The last time we were working in here was on that Integra that we did the complete swap on it and having time to clean it. Today I'm going to be working on the Civic right there. That's the other Integra that I got to work on later on. Of course, my S2 is over there. Fortunately, the car runs great, but I think I have a head gasket problem. It's not because it's overheating, because I replaced it with a I replaced it with cosmetic gasket, and that gasket is not working for crap. And so, you know, I'm telling you right now, it doesn't work for crap. But that's another problem for another day. And of course, in the other side over there, I got this. You cannot see it, but I got the Rex over there parked. So there's all my Hondas out here today. So I'm working on the Civic behind me with a K-swap. Today we're gonna do some harness work. So today we're using the Hybrid Racing. We're using the Hybrid Racing conversion wire harness, and part number is this right here. So this one right here, 102. You can get it at that website. We're doing that. We're gonna put it on, harness it, wire up, and then K-Pro. We're gonna find out a place to put this beautiful K-Pro on the vehicle, install it, have it all nice and put in for his car, so we can turn it on later on. And basically that's what I'm doing today. So I'm taking out the dashboard. After taking out the dashboard, I want to find out where I'm going to put that harness, where I'm going to weld it, and put the engine harness on the Civic itself. Alright guys, it's a little bit hot out here, but I already got the hatch in, and this is what I'm working with. This is the OEM harness. I'm going to plug it in a minute. First thing, I already got it there. First thing I'm doing, I already got the hatch in the shop. I gotta clean that up over there a little bit. I'm gonna put the Integra right there, the S2000 behind the hatch, and then so I can have the CRX in and out. First thing I want to do today is gonna take, look at this, nitrous. I'm just kidding. I don't know what the hell that is for. The gentleman wants to put a we're gonna put a Integra cluster in here. So first thing I'm gonna have to take this thing out. It looked like somebody already started taking it out, so I want to take it completely out, find out how I can take the dashboard apart without breaking nothing, because we can resell this if we want to, even though it's broken over there and stuff like that. But I'm going to take this out. I'm probably half a way out already, and after I take this out, I'm going to mark up down there somewhere when I'm going to have the ECU at, and because I already got the brake, see where the brake is over there in the floor, so I'm going to do where the ECU is. I'm going to run the harness the way I want to be run, and go from there and see what's going on. And we do have an S2000 cluster that he's going to put in on this car, so let's see what's going on. Let's see what happens. I love taking stuff apart. Alright guys, so this is the issue that I have. I need to figure out what I'm going to do to put that fuse box here. Maybe I can drill it, or I can bend this over, make it like that. You know what I mean? Or I can just find a place right here. But you see this right here? Okay, it's covered. I don't want it there because water might come down. So I don't know yet. I might put it right over there, but I gotta be in the area, because look what they did, bro. They did all this hard. Before I can even install the right wire on here, I don't know, somebody cut this already? Jesus Christ. I need to figure out what's going on and what is what. This is going to take me about 3 hours to go through the whole deal. Not easy. Then somebody started messing out with this. I haven't taken this dashboard apart. I'm just going with, seeing what, you know. This is my little work that I did. Still got plenty from the rears. I don't know what I'm gonna put I don't know where I'm gonna put the ECU. I'm gonna make a plate right here and put everything right here. You know what I mean? Nice plates. Put that. But this is a headache, big time. Big time headache. I mean, Jesus Christ. First of all, I'm taking from here. Again, if you don't know what you're doing, don't do nothing. Just leave it alone. Send somebody that knows what they're doing. Because right now I'm going to have to go in here and figure out what the person did. And go through everything to go figure out what the hell's going on. Well guys, I'm about to figure out what I want everything to be. I have the ECU going down. I had to do all this little brown stuff here because it was a headache. But what I think to do, I'm going to put it right there. And I'll bolt the screw right here so they can bolt it in. And maybe one right there. So it'll be like an even bolt, boom, deal right there holding the ECU in place. Because if I do it like this, it's not going to work. So I'm going to do it like that. And when I was doing that, I got some visitors today. Joe have a little, just bought a 30-year-old car, now he's improvising fixing it before we go home. This is Mrs. Norma, and this is their car right here too. Alright guys, so I wired everything up. Now I'm gonna heat it up to make sure no problems with it. If you have a chance, this is what I use. It's a real good gun right here. It's gonna cost you about 70 bucks. But well, boom. I love it, love it, love it. Alright, so this is done. Like I said, I'm about to shrink wrap that. A couple zip tied it all the way around to get it clear out. And then I'm gonna move up to my next thing today on the list is to put the brake, master cylinder and clutch cylinder, and that will be done. Then I can put the dashboard back on for now and figure out where I'm gonna put this on. And that's it for the day. So almost done for my day. So I'll give you a few minutes and we start doing this. Alright guys, so I'm a little bit sweaty. I took out the old one right there. I am doing the new one. I'm about to put it on. Again, let me put you around here somewhere so you can see the action going down. There we go. So now I got to redo everything that I did because he wants to do brake talk. So everything that I did had to be redone again. So let's start. Everything brand new wire and everything. So let me start mounting it together in front of you. Hey guys, I'm done. Look at this. Look at that. Now it looks more like a K-swap, huh? Nice and clean. I just got to do the lines. And then it comes over here. You get in here. You get in here, look. So what I want it's going to look like. That's the way we're going to go with that. As you can see, you don't see shit. If you look right through there, the ECU is right there. See, everything's accessible for you guys to work on. This right here, I'm thinking I'll put it right about here. Boom. So you can ask it. But look, that's what the steering wheel, you're driving, bah, bah, bah. This is what I was working for. So you don't see nothing, or the wires that he left over there are gone. Everything's good. Original dash, just got the dashboard yesterday. I'm gonna lighten up. I'm gonna put a couple bolts on to hold it in place. Put the steel one back on. That's the S2000 clutch is gonna go. And the AMIK, when I do this, I install that when they give me the harness for that. So they're gonna he ordered the harness for that and the engine harness. So this baby's already all wired up to start up for a K. It looks real good back there. I like how it came out. Guys, if you like my video, hit share, hit like. I'm out of here for now. Peace out. I'm sweaty. I gotta have another shirt covering me because I'm so sweaty. I'm gonna pick up my shop, put the car the way it's supposed to, and done for the night. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.